What if I told you that the very ground under your feet has this incredible secret story? It's all about a giant piece of land that went on this amazing adventure, had a supersized crash, and literally changed the world. Are you ready to uncover the mystery with me? I'm sure you've seen those pictures, right? Of these giant, snowy mountains that look like they could touch the clouds, and you just have to wonder, how on earth did that get so huge? Well, guess what? Today, we're going on an epic quest to find out exactly that, how the tallest mountains in the entire world, the mighty Himalayas, were born. Okay, so our adventure starts a long, and I mean long time ago, with this super ancient secret. Now, every great story needs a hero, doesn't it? But here's the twist. Our hero isn't a person, and it's not an animal. It's actually a brave, adventurous piece of land. So let's meet our hero. We're going to call her Indy, the explorer land. And look, way back in time, this is where Indy used to live. But see, she wasn't all by herself. She was actually part of this big, happy family of lands, all snuggled up together. And this giant family of land had a name. It was called Gondwana. Just imagine a huge party where all the continents are your next-door neighbors. So Indy's neighbors were Africa, Australia, Antarctica, and South America. They were all connected, as one single giant supercontinent. How cool is that? But you know how it is. Even in the happiest families, sometimes you just get that itch, that urge for an adventure. And well, that is exactly what happened to our hero, Indy. It was time for the Great Gondwana Escape. Yep, that's right. Indy decided, it's time for me to see the world. It bravely broke away from its family in Gondwana and just started floating off on its own. And with that, the greatest adventure in Earth's history was just getting started. Now listen, this wasn't just a quick trip, okay? This was an epic journey across a giant ocean that took millions upon millions of years. Indy was on the move, slowly but surely, just sailing towards a brand new home. Wow, just look at this timeline. This journey took forever. So 71 million years ago, the adventure begins. Let's fast forward. 55 million years ago, and Indy is just floating all alone out there in the middle of a giant ocean. Then, 38 million years ago, this is a huge milestone. It crosses the equator. And finally, by 10 million years ago, you can see it's getting so close to its new home. And here it is, the entire trip on one map. Just look at that. You can see exactly where Indy started, all the way down south, and then follow its long, winding path heading north. What an absolutely incredible voyage across the ocean, all the way to that giant landmass we call Eurasia. Okay, get ready because this is the most exciting part of the story. After all that traveling, Indy was about to meet someone new, a really big someone. This, my friends, is the part of the story where worlds collide. Indy had been sailing for so long, farther than any piece of land had ever traveled before. And then, after all those millions of years, the moment finally arrived. It happened. Boom! The big crash. Indy collided with the giant Eurasian plate. Now, this was the slowest, but also the biggest and most powerful crash in the entire history of our planet. So, you're probably thinking, how does a big crash make mountains? Well, it's actually super simple to imagine. Just picture a big carpet lying flat on the floor. Okay, you got it? Now imagine you start pushing one end of it slowly. What happens? It wrinkles up, right? It creates all these little hills and folds. Well, that is exactly what happened when Indy crashed into Eurasia. The land between them had nowhere else to go but up. And check this out. These are pictures of actual rocks in the Himalayas. Don't they look exactly like the folds in a wrinkled-up carpet? It's incredible. This is real-life proof of that giant slow-motion crash. How cool is that? But you see, that big crash wasn't the end of the story. Oh no, it was a brand new beginning. The reward for Indy's long journey was the creation of a whole new land, just full of the most incredible wonders. And the very first, most magnificent wonder of all was this. The mighty Himalayas were born, the tallest, grandest mountains on the entire planet. And their beautiful name in Sanskrit, Himalaya, actually means abode of snow because, well, their peaks are always covered in it. So just how tall are we talking here? Well, many of the peaks in the Himalayas are over 8,000 meters high. To put that in perspective, that's like stacking more than 20 of the world's tallest skyscrapers, one on top of the other. And here's a little secret for you. The crash is still happening, even right now. India is still pushing into Eurasia at about 5 centimeters per year. Now, that's about how fast your own fingernails grow. It's super, super slow, but it means the Himalayas are actually still getting taller, little by little every single year. But these mountains are so much more than just beautiful. They are actually life givers. That's why people often call them the water tower of Asia. Because when all that snow on top melts, it creates huge rivers like the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, giving fresh, clean water to millions and millions of people. But Indy's journey didn't stop at just making mountains. That one big crash was like knocking over the first domino. It set off a chain reaction that also created mighty rivers, super fertile plains for growing food, high plateaus, and even long, beautiful coastlines. So the land was pushed up to create these high, flat areas we call plateaus. And whenever you get high plateaus, you often get these spectacular waterfalls, just like the amazing Jog Falls you see right here. And it all goes back to that one single crash. And as India finally settled into its new home, its final shape created over 7,500 kilometers of coastline. That is a lot of beaches. And it's exactly why India today has so many amazing coastal cities and just beautiful, beautiful shores. So there you have it. Our hero Indy's long, long journey created the amazing, diverse country we know and love today. From the highest snowy mountains to the warmest sandy beaches, it's all part of one single epic story. So the next time you're outside, just remember, the ground beneath your feet has its own secret adventure story too. And guess what? It's still being written. What do you think will happen in the next million years?